Laundry experts, time-saving laundry hacks. My thanks to Ann Taylor for her article in Lifesavvy for this information. Please read her complete article at the link listed. Laundry is one of those household chores that never ends. Whether you have a large family or you live alone, you can easily spend hours each week washing, drying, sorting, and folding clothes. Fortunately, we are in an era of life and cleaning hacks, and there are a lot of smart people out there who have figured out ways to make doing laundry easier. To make those laundry tips and tricks easier to find, here are some of our favorite time-saving laundry hacks. Wash larger loads. According to Jennifer Ahoney, P&G Fabric Care Principal Scientist, one of the easiest ways to cut down on the amount of time you spend doing laundry is to wash fewer larger loads instead of more smaller ones. Not only is this better for the environment, but it will save you the time it takes to prep every load and switch clothes to the dryer. Just keep in mind that larger laundry loads means more dirt and grime has to be washed in each cycle. Mahoney recommends checking your detergent label to ensure you are using the right amount of detergent to properly clean your clothes. Use laundry pods. Another easy way to cut down on laundry time is to use laundry pods instead of liquid detergent. While this isn't going to shave hours off this chore, it will make the process slightly easier. When using laundry pods, be sure to keep them in a child and pet-proof container and store them in a safe, secure location. Make sorting simple. Use a laundry sorting basket. This laundry basket has 4 compartments for lights, colors, darks, and delicates. It's easy to assemble and will seriously expedite the cleaning process. Speed up drying time. If you have a large load of laundry that is taking ages to dry, Leanne Staff, COO of the Cleaning Authority, recommends speeding up the process by throwing some wool dryer balls into the mix. These will ensure movement of all the clothes and help more air circulate around everything. Leanne also suggests adding a clean dry towel to a load of wet clothes to speed up the drying process. Remove wrinkles quickly. Need to wear a shirt that's all wrinkly? Instead of pulling out your iron and ironing board, just throw it in the dryer with a couple of ice cubes. As hot air circulates through your dryer, the ice cubes will melt and create steam that will help to remove the wrinkles in your clothes. Alternatively, you can toss a wet towel in the dryer instead. Fight wrinkles on the go. If you need to wear a wrinkly item of clothing like right now, try using a wrinkle release spray. While this isn't going to give you the look of a freshly pressed shirt, it can be a great option in a pinch. The wrinkle release spray contains technology that releases wrinkles on the go, so you don't have to take that extra time to iron, Ahoney said. To use, spray the fabric from 8 inches away with a sweeping motion until just slightly damp. Tug and smooth away wrinkles, then allow to dry. Stay organized. A little bit of time up front can save you a lot down the line. Staff recommends placing all your socks in a mesh laundry bag so they don't get lost during washes. You can throw the entire bag in with the rest of your laundry while washing. This will ensure that no sock mysteriously goes missing during the laundry process. Make this hack even more time efficient by putting your socks in a mesh laundry bag as soon as you're finished wearing them to avoid sorting later on. Whether you love or hate doing laundry, there's no denying how much time it takes. These laundry hacks will help you get through your laundry pile more quickly and free up some of your time. Stay safe, stay secure. Keep that cat out of the laundry basket. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye and thanks for watching.